Hey, just finished 12th standard while your friends are starting 4-year degrees. Imagine this in just 24 months. You could be wearing a pilot uniform and flying for Emirates, Indigo or Air India. Sounds impossible. It's not. At Top Crew Aviation, we have developed a guaranteed system that transforms regular 12th pass students into commercial pilots flying for top airline. No special background needed. No family connections required, just a proven path that works. Hi, I'm Captain P. Kumar, ex-Indigo pilot, was flying Airbus 320, now founder of Top Crew Aviation with over 20 years of experience in training commercial and airline pilots. Our 7-step flight path system has already supported more than hundreds of students become successful commercial pilots at a fraction of time it takes to complete other professional degrees. While your friends are still studying theory, you could be commanding commercial aircraft and earning a pilot's salary. That's why we have created a detailed video showing exactly how our guaranteed system works. In this free training, you will discover how to become a commercial pilot in just 24 months after 12 guaranteed, why our graduates are getting selected in all top airlines, how to pass the common roadblocks that stop most aspiring pilots, the financing options that make pilot training accessible to middle class families, the exact steps from classroom to cockpit that have worked for hundreds. This is not about 4-year degree with uncertain job prospect. This is about starting a guaranteed career path to becoming a pilot.